Miss Abigail, please kindly lead the prayer. Okay? Before you take your seat, please kindly pick those piece of trash under your chair and arrange your chair. Okay. Don't have any absences today. So, Miss May, kindly list down the names of absences and give it to me later.
Yes, sir.
Before we proceed our discussion for today, let us first have a short activity. I will show a picture, then you will guess it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you ready, class?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, first picture. What is this?
Wheelbarrow.
Okay, very good. Second picture. What? Shovel. Very good. Okay. So, okay, now I will divide it into 4 groups. Then each of you will participate in the activity. So I will place the different picture of types of tools and materials for collection of farm waste, and your task is to arrange the jumble words. Maybe you follow? Yeah, okay, so let's start. So, group 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Group 1, come in front. Okay, very good. Group 2, come in front. Okay, very good. Group 3, come in front. Very good. So next, group 4, come in front. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, now what do you think our topic for today? Anyone can give me an idea? Okay.
Sir, I think our topic for today is about repair tools and materials for collection of farm waste.
Okay, very good. Our topic for today is about preparing tools and materials for collection of farm waste. So, what you observe in our activity earlier? Okay.
Sir, each types of tools and materials for collection of farm waste has own feature and function. It's important for us to know how to use it.
Okay, very good. Okay, class. So now let's start our discussion. Our topic is all about preparing tools and materials for collection of farm waste. So farm waste is refuse from agricultural crop production. Typically, farmers will use more than one method to dispose of their waste and utilize the collection by reusing, recycling, and decomposing with the help of tools and materials. These are the tools we need to do collecting farm waste. So first one is wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow is used for hauling trash, fertilizer, planting materials, and others. Number 2, spade is used for removing trash or soil, digging canals, or mixing soils. Number 3, shovel is used for removing trash, digging loose soil, moving soil from one place to another place, and mixing soil. 4, rake, used for cleaning cleaning the ground and leveling the topsoil. 5, spading fork is used for loosening the soil, digging out, and for turning over material in a compost of heap. So, these are the tools we need for farming waste. So, next one is, these are the materials used in farm waste. So, first one is the container, where the processed liquid waste are stored. Number 2, disinfectants used for disinfecting the region to avoid the contamination. Number 3, detergent used for hygienic purposes. 4, sacks where soil waste are placed. 5, personal protective equipment with goggles, gloves, face masks, rubbers, shoes, and jeans. Classifications?
None, sir.
Answer. Okay, very good. Anna, do you follow?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. Okay, class, now that we have learned the different tools and materials used in collecting farm waste and their proper preparation, you will now apply your learning. So I will show you a short video demonstration on how farmers properly prepare tools such as gloves, sacks, shovels, and wheelbarrow before collecting farm waste. So after watching, you will work by group, create your own demonstration showing how you prepare each tool and materials correctly and safely before actual collection of farm waste. So for our instruction, after you done doing your video demonstration, upload it to our GC, and one person only upload and just include your member's name. Okay? Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, are you ready for our quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, let's start. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to answer. Okay. Okay, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's start. Let's start checking. Exchange your paper. Okay, number 1 is used for hauling trash, fertilizer, planting materials, and others. What's the answer? Okay, Miss Abigail.
Wheelbarrow.
Okay, very good. So number 2 is used for removing trash, digging loose soil, moving soil from one place to another, and mixing soil. What's the answer?
Shovel.
Okay, very good. Number 3 is used for removing trash or soil, digging canals, and mixing soils. What's the answer? Spade. Okay, very good. Spade. Number 4 is used for loosening the soil, digging out, and for turning over the materials in a compost heap. Okay.
Spading fork.
Okay, very good. Number 5 is used for disinfecting the region to avoid contamination. Okay, Miss Anna.
Disinfectants.
Okay, very good. Number 6, goggles, glove, face mask, rubber boots, and jeans. Okay, Miss Abigail.
Personal protective equipment.
Okay, very good. Number 7, where solid waste are placed. Okay, Miss Maya.
Sacks. Sacks.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, for your assignment, write it in a 1/2 sheet of paper. First, number 1, research about organic farming helps produce healthy vegetables. That's your assignment, okay? Okay, everyone stand up and Miss Abigail lead the prayer. Okay, class. Goodbye, class.
Good